In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract a transcript from Final Cut Pro. This is something a couple people asked me about when Final Cut Pro 12 was released, and there is not an official workflow for how to do this in Final Cut, but I do have a couple hacky workarounds. They're by no means perfect solutions, but if you're the kind of person that wants to be able to read a transcript on paper, this video is for you. Let's just dive right in. I have a raw interview here in my browser. And you want to make sure that Final Cut has already analyzed this clip so it can transcribe it for you. So you probably did that upon import if you had this option clicked, Analyze Audio. If you're not sure, you can just right-click on the clip in your browser and Analyze and Fix. And here you go, you can make that selection here. But I know this one's already been done, so I'm just going to hit Cancel. The next thing you want to do is just start a new project and take that entire clip and drop it into your timeline. And then you're just going to right click on the clip in your timeline and select Transcribe to Captions. And now you can see as I run my playhead that Final Cut has transcribed my entire interview. Now it's important for you to know that Final Cut Pro does not differentiate between speakers with these captions. So it's going to caption both what the interviewee says on camera, but also what the interviewer says off camera. And it doesn't delineate between those captions visually. So you're going to still have to do some critical thinking when you're looking at these transcripts, trying to decide who said what. So if you're looking for a transcription with some sort of timestamp, the cleanest way to do this is to make sure that you are working with SRT roles. So I think right now I'm set to ITT. I want to be on SRT. So I've selected all those captions, right-clicked. I'm going to select Duplicate Captions to New Format and select SRT. So now I have two versions of my captions. Now what we need to do is head on up to the Share button, Export File, and you're probably set to Video and Audio. But I don't need the video or audio of this clip. I already have the media. I'm just interested in the transcription file, but you can't generate that transcription file without exporting some sort of media out of Final Cut Pro. So what I'm going to do here is switch my format to audio only because I want to create the smallest possible file because I don't need it. So this is going to generate just like a 16 megabyte file for me. That's fine. I'm going to delete it later anyway. Let's head on over to roles. And you can see under my captions here, I have both the ITT and SRT files. I just want the SRT. In my experience, this is the cleanest document we can generate. And let's just hit next. And I'm just going to save it to my desktop. So now if we head to our desktop, you can see the MP3 file. I don't even need this. I'm just going to trash it. And here is my SRT file. And if you go to double click on it, it says it can't open it. That's a lie. Just cancel. And what you'll need to do is right click, open with, and select text edit. And then here is a transcription of this entire interview. And this may or may not be what you're looking for. Here is an entire transcription, but it does have a lot of extra information on it that you may not need, and it can make it hard to read. So if you want a clean version of this transcript, here's what you're going to do. You're going to, in your timeline in Final Cut Pro, select your captions by marquee selecting them, right-click and select Join Captions. And now it's going to make these captions one long caption. Up here in your inspector, you can see all of these captions have been merged into one long caption. I'm just going to click in this text field and hit Command A to select all of that text and hit Command C to copy it. Then I'm just going to create a blank document in Pages, and I'm going to hit Command V to paste. And the formatting on this is probably not what you're looking for. We've got a little bit of an Epstein file situation going on here. So I'm just going to hit Command A to select all that text. And under text color, let's make it white. And under the text style, it's marked as label. You'll just want to switch this to body to get rid of those black lines. And so here is a cleaner version of your text file. And clearly this transcript has a ton of line breaks. These line breaks are where Final Cut Pro originally divided the transcript into captions. And you could go through and delete these line breaks to clean them up if you wanted to. So definitely not a perfect workflow, but it does get the job done if you are the kind of person who wants to see the entire transcript of an interview or a finished video from Final Cut Pro on paper. I hope this helped those of you who were looking for this information. I've got a whole bunch of other tutorials I recently dropped about stuff that's new in Final Cut Pro 12. Thanks for hanging out, you guys. I'll see you again.